Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Roblox gift card. Keep watching the video till the end to redeem your Roblox gift card. Firstly, open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.roblox.com/redeem and make a search. Log into your Roblox account if you have not logged in, and you'll end up on the redemption page of Roblox. To redeem your Roblox gift card, enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code in the given space and tap on Redeem. This is how you can redeem your Roblox gift card quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.